How's it going, guys? Today I'll be changing my brake pads in my 2002 Toyota Camry LE 4-cylinder white vehicle. So the first thing I did was remove the hubcap. Lift it up, put it on jack stands, make sure it's safe, shake the car, make sure it's safe, and remove the lug nuts. Okay, now here is the caliper, and we're going to be removing these two bolts here, 14 millimeter. Whoops. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Have a little breaker bar here. Okay. Now it is just hand tight. Here's the bolt. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to flip it over. There we go. Just like that. And here are the pads. And if you wanted to, you could just work from right here. But what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to compress the piston. Well, you can't see. Okay, let me just tie this up here someplace. Okay, so here are my brake pads. Slide it on out. Just like so. Here it is. It's just about done. Well, actually it's done already. Okay. Let's take out the other side. Wow, look at that. Okay, that on the side. Take these clips out. I have new clips. Just like that. And clean up the caliper a little bit. Now if you want to, you can take off these guides here. But I'm not going to take it off because they're sliding really nice and I don't want to mess with it. So if you're just sticking, I'll suggest you take this off, clean it, grease it up. If you're having uneven wear on your brake pads, that could also mean that one of your guides are stuck. So I'm going to check the other side. This one feels nice, so I'm not going to mess with it. Yeah, this other one feels real nice. Slides in and out really easy, so I'm not going to mess with that one. Guys, you notice that this rotor is really loose now? It's going to be in my way when I'm trying to put everything back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple lug nuts on here and thread it in. So in this new brake kit that I have, came with brand new clips, so I'll be using them. You always want to match up your old and new parts. Make sure they're correct the first time. Okay, here's a new brake clip. It's easy to put on. This clips into place. Almost. Just make sure it's even on both sides. Let's install the top one. I'm sure there's a trick to this. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some brake grease here, and up here also. And also where the pads are going to be contacting the caliper. So a little goes a long way, guys. Make sure you don't get any grease on your rotor or the friction part of your brake pad. If that happens, you may not stop. I noticed on my new pad here that I don't have the wear indicator. This metal piece right here, this clip, it's what connects, it touches your rotor when your brake pad is worn down. It lets you know that, hey, it's time to change. Okay, wear indicators in. All we have to do is put it on now. Okay, let's slide your brand new pad in here. Boom. The other one. Oops. There we go. Pads installed. Okay, pads in. You can bring down the caliper now. Should slide in really good. There we go. Let's put in the lower bolt. Yes, I got my hands dirty. Okay, the next step is to torque down your bolts here. My book says 25 foot-pounds, so that's what I'm going to follow. All right. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it for this job. So just double check your work. Make sure everything's torqued down, everything looks okay. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go inside. Well, after you do the other side, you're going to go inside and you're going to pump that pedal, that brake pedal. That way the piston will come out and touch the pads and readjust itself. And if you don't do that before you start to drive, you know, you're gonna bang something. So please do that. Be safe. So if you like this video, let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if you did not like this video. If you don't feel comfortable in doing this kind of job, please hire a professional. Thanks for watching. Aloha and take care. Don't forget to pump that brake. Muddy driveway.